guys, today we're going to do a lesson on the states of matter, solids, liquids, and gases. When I blow up a balloon with my mouth, I'm using a gas to put it into the balloon. Do you know what gas comes out of my mouth when I blow up a balloon? If you said carbon dioxide, you are correct. This balloon is now filled with the carbon dioxide that came out of my mouth. Now we're going to use some common kitchen ingredients, including baking soda and vinegar, to create carbon dioxide to blow up another balloon. We're going to start with an empty water bottle, and I'm going to fill it about a third of the way up with vinegar. So vinegar is something you probably have in your kitchen to use for cooking. I'm going to use my funnel so that I don't make a mess. So I've got my bottle about a third of the way filled with vinegar. Now I'm going to put some baking soda into my balloon. So I'm going to use a red balloon so you see the difference between the green balloon that I blew up and the red balloon that we're going to use to blow up from the reaction of our liquid vinegar and our solid baking soda. I'm going to use a funnel so that, again, I don't make a mess all over the counter. I'm going to position my balloon so that when I put the baking soda down the funnel, it will filter into the balloon. No real measurements, just do as much as you want to experiment with. Ooh. Be careful or you will make a mess. So right now I've got my baking soda inside the funnel that is slowly filtering down into my balloon. I'm going to tap it to make sure I can get all that baking soda down in there. Now comes the tricky part. I'm going to take the top of the balloon and very carefully place it over the top of the bottle without dumping the baking soda into the vinegar yet. When we release the baking soda down into the vinegar, it should start a reaction that will create carbon dioxide that will blow up the balloon, just like I blew up the green balloon from the carbon dioxide expelled from my breath. All right, let's see if it works. It's reacting and our balloon is blowing up. When the bubbles have stopped, I'm going to pinch the balloon, carefully pulling it off. And tying it off in a knot. Now we have a red balloon that's filled with carbon dioxide from our vinegar baking soda reaction, and a green balloon that is full of carbon dioxide from my breath. Which one is bigger? And which reaction do you think would take more time to fill up more balloons? Blowing them up from your breath or blowing them up from carbon dioxide created from baking soda and vinegar? All right, now it's your turn to try it at home.